Okay, just welcome back. Burgers for tea. I haven't had much time this week, so I've sort of just done this video, or I'm hoping to do this video. I haven't even filmed it yet. Just for something of interest. I know it was a sort of, well, I don't know, I think it was about 70-30 about having a rear louvre. So I thought, let's make one. Yeah, procrastinating, doing other stuff, but I feel like I just want to do something. So I don't think it's going to work too well with the metal I've got. I've got given some very thin, maybe sort of galvanised stuff, very thin. And I've seen it online before where people have used too thinner stuff and it just doesn't keep the curve. But I'm thinking, well, maybe we can try and fold a bit of an edge to it to try and give it a bit of shape. So yeah, I think what we'll start off with is by cutting two strips of metal to make two runners downside, riv-nut them on, top and bottom, and there be our mounting plates for the actual louvres. No flanges. Well, or flanges, yeah, let's call them. Yeah, they need flanges. And yeah, and then obviously what I'm going to do is make it high enough so actually we can have the window in or out. Oh, I don't know whether, but at least we have the option to. Is that thunder? Or was that my flash going? Anyway, it's a bit of a video. We'll get back to proper stuff very soon. Okay, one strip on, with nuts on. A little bit tricky to get to, had to jiggle them a little bit. You know, riv nut tool's good, but it's big. So I know you can make smaller ones, can't you? Just with nuts and bolts and things like that. But anyway, other side. Yes, I'm not too sure either now. Well, I think I'm pretty sure about the louvres. I love louvres, I think they look really cool on it. But this metal is very thin, bit of galvanised as well, so it's not ideal. But all I can think is at the moment, it's actually making me a good pattern. I can make it and see if it works. So basically what I've done is to give it a bit of strength, as you can see, I put a bit of fold in it and a fold at the back there to try and straighten up the back lines. It's still, yeah, a bit obviously. So the other option I've got to do, obviously we could remake it in slightly thicker metal. The other option is we put another bar in the middle there, a very just thin bar. So, but yeah, all right, see how we go. Let's see if I can get another one on there. Okay, maybe should have started at the top. I know some people actually, when you watch them on the internet, you actually can make it, you know, they overlap them on the side of the windscreens if you sit on the back screen, but obviously because I've got the big spoiler mounts there, I can't do that, so I'll have to sort of just go for it. And I had a longest piece bit for the bottom, so I thought, well, let's just try it. Yeah, anyway, backwards I know. Okay, second one tacked on. I think it's starting to look better now once I get second one tacked on. Again, I don't know. It's a pattern, it's entertainment. Yeah, I'm sure I should be doing other stuff on the car, but it's my car, I'll do what I want. And yeah, just love feedback as always. I might not notice it, or I do notice it, I might just not pay attention, and I do apologise if I ignore somebody and I do something wrong and they can say told me so, but that's life as well, isn't it? Just being, sometimes it's good just to make your own mistakes, sometimes you think you're right compared to somebody else. Yeah, and you're not always, so I'll admit it afterwards. I'm nearly admitting to an electric fuel pump, water pump in the radiator system, but I'm still persevering just. I need to make something that's not symmetrical one day or something. I hate making repetitive things. I built a model triplane once, Fokker triplane, Red Baron. I don't know what scale it was, 5th scale I think. And yeah, I hated making all the wings. By the time I got to the third set of wings, I was just like bored as anything. Did fly, but yeah. Yeah. 3. 2 more to go. Running out of energy. Okay, small problem with using galvanised is one, obviously it doesn't weld very nice, I don't know if you know, it's got a coating on it, galvanised. So yeah, you've got to watch the fumes if you're doing stupid welding, and you shouldn't really weld it I suppose. But anyway, we're only doing tacks. And also, it looks very industrial at the moment, doesn't it? It looks like it's like a vent on the side of an industrial building. So yeah, quite good with it. I should just keep it the Mad Max theme really. It's I quite like it to a certain extent. All right, one more maybe. Okay, got the last one on. Yeah, maybe I should have placed them differently. Maybe it needs an extra one. But it gives me something to think about. It's all an experiment. And yeah. Yeah, I like the look. I could just tweak it a little bit. As I said, maybe make the stuff out of something else. I don't know, maybe put a strengthener in. Obviously not an issue if you've got the windscreen in anyway. No, you're not going to leak anyway. But yeah, that's it for this video. Sorry if it's a short one. But I had a few family things to do this week, so I really didn't have time. We're going to be back on it next week. And doing a lot of prep work, so hit the like button if you like this. If you like the videos. And if you want to support me, check the descriptions further down. There's loads of different ways to support me. Finding me a unit to move to in a month or so would be handy as well. Alright, I'm off for a bath. Take it easy, everyone.